Last segment of the day, Teddy, a little bit of off the mic. We're going to take it back to the NFL here with the coaching carousel that we've had. Ticker, if you see the ticker up here, it's going to be up here in just a few moments. Bowles, Joseph, Lewis, Gase, Wilkes, Cotter, Jackson, and McCarthy all fired this year. And I know when you look and say, well, Steve Wilkes, Teddy, Steve Wilkes didn't even get a chance. He had 1 year. Let me tell you something. Any job that I've ever been in, you're going to give me a 5-year guaranteed contract for about $30 million and tell me after year one you don't like me anymore, but still going to pay me for the remainder of the 4 years, who actually won in that deal? Was it the Cardinals or Steve Wilkes? It was Steve Wilkes. But the question I want to bring up today is that coaching tree from Andy Reid and where it should land. I think Eric Bieniemy is a fantastic candidate coming through. Teddy, just some of the guys real quick under that tree of Andy Reid: John Harbaugh, Ron Rivera, Steve Spagnuolo, Todd Bowles, Doug Peterson, Sean McDermott, Matt Nagy, Brad Childress, Leslie Frazier, Pat Shurmur. He's been around a long time, was a very good coach in Philadelphia, reincarnated himself, obviously out in Kansas City. We'll see if he can make a run to a Super Bowl that he wasn't able to get in Philadelphia. But all these coaches moving around here, Teddy, I think to me, Eric Bieniemy is a great fit if he can get in the right situation and get the right young quarterback to motivate, because from the last two guys that we've seen in that Andy Reid tree, Nagy and also Peterson, done very well for themselves, Teddy.
Yeah. Look.
No. Come on. You agree with me and say that was the absolute right take, and that's the way we're going to close the show.
All these teams are screwed, okay, because there's no good coaching candidates out there. You know, Adam Gase got hosed in Miami. Adam Gase, I think, will be a great coach somewhere. Steve Wilkes might be a great coach somewhere. I thought Todd Bowles got kind of a rough. I mean, he went into a rebuilding situation. What happens when you go into a rebuilding situation? Your team rebuilds. You know, are the Jets poised to make noise next year? Yes, they are. They're going to be a lot better next year. Is that Todd Bowles' fault? They weren't good this year and last year? No. It's just, no, it's not. But team after team, Donnie, is going to be in this exact same spot next year and the exact same spot the year after. It's not like there's a ton of great quarterbacks to go around. So every team's always looking for a quarterback. And it's not like there's a ton of great head coaches to go around. So half the league is always looking for a head coach. And yeah, maybe Eric Bieniemy walks into a great spot, and maybe the first year his quarterback gets hurt and he loses 3 offensive linemen and they go 3-13. And all right, bye. You know, it's a crapshoot when it comes to coaches. Bill Belichick will tell you that. He was an absolute failure in Cleveland and got run out of town.